Hey guys, ECRG here, and today we're going to be talking about 3 common reasons why your resume sucks. Hey guys, ECRG here, and we're going to be talking about today 3 common reasons why your resume sucks. Now, we get resumes all the time. If you want us to review your resume, we can talk about reviewing your resume. You can email us your resume at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it. We'll let you guys know what we think. We'll do a video on it for a more in-depth one if you would like that. But anyway, guys, email us there and we'll take a look. But 3 common reasons that I find why your resume sucks and that you can do today to make your resume a lot better, stand out to recruiters, and hopefully get that job offer you've been wanting so bad. All right, now the first reason that I find is that your resume is not translated into the context of the job you're trying to go for. So here in the clinical research space, you need to translate your resume into the terms that are used in clinical research. So what does that mean for you? That means if you have any kind of data, you need to talk about data reconciliation, data analysis. You need to use those terms in your resume so that people know that you are familiar with analyzing data, because there's a lot of data in clinical research to look at. For example, if you worked in a bench research arena in undergrad and you had to write in a lab manual weekly and input quote unquote data into your lab manual, talk about what you did every day when you came into the lab, you need to translate that into more data terminology. So say that you maybe input data, you reconciled it and analyzed it all in the context of your lab manual. And you can get ideas for this by looking at other people's resumes. I recommend going on LinkedIn to the people that have the job that you're applying for. Look at what they have, look at the terminology they use, and then incorporate that into your resume as well to make it stand out. And this also helps with the keywords, because a lot of recruiters, what they will do is put your resume first automatically. When you send it in immediately, this happens. A software runs analysis on it to determine the keyword matches. And so by you going on LinkedIn and looking at other people's resumes, you'll be able to have more keywords in there that directly apply to the job you're looking for, therefore boosting your rank and giving you a better chance at an interview. So that's the first and the biggest reason why your resume sucks. It's not translated appropriately for the job you're applying for. The second most common reason that I see why your resume sucks is you put too much past information on jobs that aren't applicable to the role you're applying for. So if you worked at like 3, 4, 5 companies and there was similar jobs or it's the same job, consolidate all of that. Just put that you were the job title, whatever it was, bench researcher or lab technician. Just put that one title and then list out the what you did in that job, the resume bullet points, list those out. Of course, have those translated into more clinical research things, or the job you're going for, haven't translated into that terminology. But a recruiter is only going to look at your resume for 3 to 5 seconds. So you want to make it as neat and clear and concise as possible. They don't care about how many bench research places you worked at in the past 10 years, 15 years. Just consolidate it, put the necessary information there so they can quickly read it and glance and determine if you're a good fit or not. Remember, these resumes are a snapshot of who you are, and that you are only getting a few seconds by a hiring manager or a recruiter for them to look at your resume and determine if you're a candidate or not. So you don't want to be putting a whole bunch of information clogging up their memory, because if it's too complicated, they're not going to read through it. They're just going to pass and go on to the next candidate. So you want to make sure that you don't have too much past information on unapplicable jobs, and consolidate the information you do have, translate it into the job lexicon that you're applying for. That's number 2. And then the third and final reason why your resume sucks is they're not neatly formatted. Guys, as I said before, 3 to 5 seconds a recruiter will look at your resume. They're going through hundreds and hundreds of resumes. Make it easy on them by neatly formatting it. Make it easy on them by allowing them to quickly glance and understand who you are. So you help the recruiter will help you. Just make it easy for them. They tell you what they want you to do. Make it easy so they can read through it in 3 to 5 seconds and know if you're a good fit for the job or not, and then you'll make it on to the next step. A lot of people are not getting on from first base because their resume is not neatly formatted. So do your best. Look at other people's resumes for ideas. Look at sample resumes and just do a simple, clean, minimal format. And that will definitely increase your chances when applying for jobs, especially in the clinical research space, which is so competitive now. It's not like it used to be, incredibly competitive. So do your best there. Once again, you can email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. We do resume reviews. Would love to show some of the reviews in the videos so we can help out more people that way. But you can email us there. We'll take a look. So just to review, the 3 common reasons why your resumes suck are it's not translated in the lexicon of the job you're applying for. That's number 1. Too much past information about jobs that are unapplicable. That's number 2. And 3, not neatly formatted enough. Remember, recruiters only give you 3 to 5 seconds for your resume for them to look at it and glance and determine the information they need. So you need to do your best to make it clear that you're a good candidate for the recruiter. And all those 3 reasons will definitely help. Alright guys, like this video, share it with all of your friends. I feel like this is one of the most helpful videos we've made. So share it with everybody you know, clinical research or not. People can benefit from this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that red subscribe button down below. And email us if you have any questions. You can comment down below with questions too. We'll do our best to answer. Alright guys, take care.